So Emmy, Shortwave Girl, is going to be shooting her own video here at the Vintage Electronics Expo. Right, Emmy?
Right.
Oh, that's going to be sweet. Okay. When you're done with each clip, you push that red button again. Okay, and that will stop it from recording.
He's going to have a week of editing.
It's a Coca-Cola bottle. It's real original. Plus, it's a flashlight too.
It's a mess trying to do all
I
that
think
stuff. And
this is like a CD player or something, but maybe like a suitcase with a CD record at the same time, but I have no idea. My grandpa were here, he'd show me. This might be an old TV, I have no idea what it is, but it looks pretty cool. And here's the back. I have no idea what it is. And I think you could see inside with those photos. I don't know what it is.
Yeah. Good, you're taking pictures. That's great.
Taking videos.
Go right ahead. Go right ahead.
It says I have no idea what that is, but whatever it is, it looks cool. Here are full of old speakers, I think, and back there, here's a record player, and over there's a, oops, I think that one fell, but it's okay. That I have no idea what it is, but
I don't know what this is.
So I think I would probably like this, and my brother would probably like that. I don't know about him any much more. Coca-Cola drink.
that is cool.
Probably Kylan right there, the train. He'd probably be like, choo choo. Probably what Kylan would be.
Here's the boss. We have a policy here. Anything to take the picture.
Okay, say that again.
They say pretty soon smartphones are going to be so smart, they're going to be smarter than people.
Maybe.
Maybe.
But people are the ones controlling the smartphones, so. But people are the ones controlling smartphones, so.
That's right. They control robots too, but there are some people that say eventually, sometime, robots are going to have brains too. And they're going to be out of control. I've heard that. I don't know if it's true.
I doubt it.
You doubt it?
I really doubt it.
I'm glad you have an opinion.
We call these grandfather clocks over here. All of this. Seen things that call them grandfather clocks, or just plain clocks, or tic-tacs. Like my grandpa calls that all the time. Is this a radio or a lamp?
Yeah.
I mean, like, who can tell?
Well, you know, about average. About average. I do a lot of walking.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's
No,
$20.
that's not really a radio, honey.
I know.
Well, you know it. It's a salt and pepper shaker. You know, one is the salt.
I can feel it.
Okay, one is salt and the other is pepper. But they're shaped like radios. That's why I have them here.
Yeah. A lot of this is shaped like radio.
What is your name now?
I mean,
Emmy. Okay. So I'll know what to call you. Then I won't have to say little girl anymore, will I?
it's like a camera I have, but not exactly.
Yeah, you can open that. Hang on to the bottom and I'll do the top.
Kind of.
Oh, okay. I'll hold the bottom if you want to take a picture.
Whatever it is. I have no idea what that is, so. Is that a suitcase? Or is it a radio? Who can tell? That and that are really, really, really old. I don't know if you can see it, but it's $25. Okay, this, mostly everything on this table is freaking me out. What has technology done? What has it done? Stuffed animal, I think a radio. Stuffed animal, I think a radio. Those do not go good together. Really? It's a doggy, it's a doggone great clock radio. Oh, it's a clock radio, so I was correct. I think this is a really old TV. Yeah, it's pretty old. It's like old school movie, and then over here we have a blinking what's up machine, whatever. Talk about 100. I'm not reading all these, but I'll read you some. The average family, our Miss Brooks, the life of Riley, Archie Andrews, Barbara, Maggie, and Molly. Barbara, Maggie, never mind. The Great Glide Sleeve. Okay, never heard of those before, but bye-bye. Pretty old.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Larry?
And, do you work here?
Do I have what?
Do you work here? Or
Still didn't get you.
do you work here?
Do I work here? Well, this
Or,
is all.
Like, just, like, sell stuff
Yeah, this is just once a year.
once a year?
2 years.
Really? How long have you been doing this?
Since 1985. So that's 15, 16, well, 33 years.
That's pretty long. Well, thank you, Larry.
The Michigan.
So what's in here?
I have no idea.
Let's look. Wow, do you know what that is?
Yep, I think it's a record player.
It's a reel-to-reel. These are tapes, and it plays tapes.
Well, it's pretty nice.
It is pretty cool.
Is this what I think it is? It might be a TV stand, but I can't say that I'm sure. Oh, that's kind of fun. I mess with that all day. But I've got work to do. And by work, I do not mean fun. Well, yeah. I mean, by work, I mean fun.
All right, Emmy. So here we are. I know you've shot a lot of footage, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
A
So
lot.
are you liking it? Kind of cool? People are being nice and all that to you? Yeah? They know who you are, huh?
Yep, I've interviewed one person named Larry. He's all the way in the back corner,
Okay.
and he's the one that had the old TV running.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, cool. All right, buddy. We'll keep it up.
interesting.
Got a toggle band, but I can't get the big stuff.
Beatles and Creedence, the Stones and the Birds. You should have seen all the groups that went on Saturday.
My little brother would be in heaven right now. You know why? Look at all that space. But he loves cars. I think you know that, but just in case. It's adorable. They're 2 for $1. Maybe, just maybe, my grandpa will buy one for them. I have no idea. But sometimes I can be really convincing to my grandpa. It's true. So you never know. You'll never know when I meet it. Hey, look at the spice chest. Let's open it up. Whoa, is that a built-in radio I see?
Say $50. They say $500.
You could put like stuff in there for that. Whoa, it's like there's like another wood block in there. Interesting. That's cool. Oh, these move up.
Have you made up your mind which one you want to buy yet?
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Isn't that nice?
What you need to do is stop. He's being very annoying, video. And
Really?
please make him stop. Please.
Nice. All right, get out of here.
Okay. My first name is Art.
And what is your last name?
My last name is Kiel. Kiel.
Can you tell me, is this your stuff you're selling, or is this like your stuff?
Oh yes, it's all mine. Everything here is
All
mine.
of this?
All this is mine. Yeah. All
That's a
except
lot.
me. Yeah, except him. Yeah, I don't really. I used to own him because he's my brother, you know, and he's 8 years younger than I am. So I just used to bully him like crazy.
Probably.
You don't have all that on tape, do you?
What?
You don't have all that on tape, do you?
Well, yeah, it's recorded.
Oh, you do? Oh, well,
It's fine.
okay.
My grandpa can take this stuff out.
That's right. But if it, what stays, what goes on here stays here.
You betcha.
Okay?
You have a good one now.
Look at these cool scopes that are working. They're awesome. Right here?
What is that?
Yes, this right here.
This is your typical 70s, 80s television.
Interesting.
Aileron was a company that made low cost, it's either Korean or Taiwanese.
So, do you know where this made?
When it was made?
Don't know where it was made. Do you know where it is?
Well, let's look. It's almost certainly Pacific region. No, USA manufactured. Fabricated, made in China, but it says USA manufactured, so it's likely all the parts were made in China and somebody would just assembled it here in China, in the United States, so they get the USA name on it.
And what is your name?
My name is Rob Morell, and I run the radio rescue desk. People come in with their radios and I will evaluate them, tell them what's their worth. If they want to get them fixed, I'll help them line them up with repair people, or if they want to sell it, I'll help them sell it here. Or it's my goal is at least vacuum tube radios. No vacuum tube radio should be thrown away.
Wait a minute. So, Emmy, what have you learned being at this radio expo?
Well, so all I've learned for now is that this thing was made in China, and also it has been 70s, 80s television. Plus, someone is going, I don't know, his name is Robert. Someone will, he's going to show me a 3D printer in front, at the front desk. He said so.
Making some kind of a Wizmo Gizmo. Very cool.
I mean, like...
So is there anything else you've learned here?
Well, yes, I've learned that the radio extravaganza is probably my favorite extravaganza.
Awesome. Why?
Well, because there's a lot of nice people, there's a lot of cool things. It's literally filled in here.
Have you ever heard of D-Lab Electronics?
Yes.
Do you know who runs it?
Yes.
Who?
D-Lab.
Who's that? Your grandpa. Is he a pretty cool guy?
So, what's your name?
My name is Jennifer.
And
yours?
Is this all your stuff? All
My dad's.
Your dad's?
Yep. I come to help, and it's fun to see all the neat stuff and all the.
Do you always come to help?
For this show, yeah, I don't make it to the other ones, but this one is farther. So, because we're in Ypsilanti, so I make it for this. I did get to help a little bit on the Farmington show earlier this year.
Do you like coming here to help?
I love it. I love time with my dad. I love time with all these interesting people.
Do you, can you tell me, like, where you live and...
Sure. I live in Ypsilanti, and I work at Eastern Michigan University, and I love to travel, and I have a sweet kitty cat. Her name's Moochus. She's amazing.
Look at that. It's a cannon.
Use this in my backyard. I do have a squirrel problem these days. Is this a squirrel launcher, Emmy?
Nope. It's actually a cannon.
Yeah. Very cool one with a big long automatic ignition system too. Very cool.
Turn it sideways, it looks like it's straight, but that is a record player. And that is another record player. And there are a lot of record players. Speaker. And I know it doesn't look like it, but another speaker. Talk about black. Dark. Really dark. Looks like this is a dial or something. Here are the knobs and here's the tube. And yeah, it's knobs, tubes, and dials. Light bulb just popped into my head.
Anytime.
What's the deal with your hat? I just wanted to ask you.
Okay.
Get the cameras running.
It's a Buccaneer type of hat. And over the years, swinging from ship to ship really takes a toll of the body. How's that one?
Okay, what is your name?
Oh, I'm Tony. I'm from Grosse Pointe, Michigan.
Okay, what is this? I have no idea. All I can see is this. Okay, interesting. That's really weird. That is really weird, whatever it is. What is that? What in the world? Well, that's the guys over here. People, I know this looks blue on the camera, but it's actually purple. It's a really pretty blue though. And this is a horrible green, but it looks like a pretty green on the camera. And this is not orangish red, it's just all orange. So my friend, I'm sure you remember Robert from yesterday, he just gave this to me for free.
That
It's
is
going to be
cool.
$20.
Well, that's pretty neat. What is it?
It's a radio.
It's a radio. Okay.
Cool.
Light bulb just popped into my head. Ding! That looks like a silent auction.
Do you know what that is?
Some speakers. Really, really old speakers.
Do you know what a silent auction is?
No idea.
It's where people come in and they make a bid on this without saying anything. They just write their name down and they place their bid, and the person who bids the highest wins it.
You know what he's doing? He was taking a video of all this. Here is a CD that can play loud. Here's another CD that can play much more louder. And here's another CD that is really, really broken. And I have no idea how to fix it, and neither is my grandpa over there.
Run on back here, Terry.
Yes. I need to get a little bit more of that.
Oh, don't worry. It was just a pep show.
Peep.
Looks like a real dirty radio. Probably broken down or something. Interesting. Turn around over here. Turn around over here. Ooh.
What's it called? A dyno.
Let's see what the next
trope.
one is.
A dynatrope.
Next.
I can't get that one open. And of course the handle's broken.
Okay.
There you
What is
go.
this?
Can you open that one?
Yeah, I can, but I don't want to tip it over. Can you do it? You do it.
There.
Whoa,
Nothing
nothing.
in there.
Except for another door. That
Yeah,
goes
another
over
door
there.
must be over there, yeah.
Interesting. Hey, Grandma, can you show me some of the things that are in it?
Yes. Okay. Let's see if we can get something that's recognizable. There you go.
Ring detector.
You follow this, hook the wires where it's supposed to go, and you can make a lie detector.
So let's look at this lie detector thing. Look it up, someone.
Over there is something that you can detect rain with.
Ooh, rain detector. Detect rain. Alright, look at this. Watch the wings. I'm twisting the knob and it's shutting off the wings. Bye-bye, ladybug. Oh, which one is to wake up? Turn it the other way. I hope you enjoyed my first video. Here's some of the stuff I got at the expo. There's more to come.